Hey there, my friend, today. I'm going to share with you how to make any woman genuinely miss you even if she seems uninterested. The key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering, said Bruce Lee. This timeless wisdom holds the secret to becoming unforgettable and making her miss you badly. Imagine living a life so remarkable that she can't help but think about you, even when you're not around. 1. Understand the power of absence. Step 1 is understanding the power of absence. One of the fundamental principles of Stoicism is the idea that less is more. When you're always available, you're taken for granted. It's human nature. By creating a bit of distance, you allow her the space to miss you. This doesn't mean playing games or being cold. It means valuing your own time and not being at her beck and call when you're not always there. Show the power of absence. Start to wonder what you're up to and miss your presence. Imagine this. Every time you respond instantly to her messages, you reduce the curiosity and excitement. Instead, give her the space to miss your presence, to wonder what you're doing. This isn't about manipulation. It's about allowing her to experience the natural ebb and flow of interest. Absence makes the heart grow fond, and this principle is rooted deeply in human psychology. Think about it like this: when you receive a text or call, don't jump to respond immediately every time. Take a moment, focus on what you're doing, and reply when you genuinely have time. This small act of not being instantly available builds an aura of mystery and independence. She'll start to appreciate your time more because it's not always given freely. Absence also allows her to reflect on the moments you've shared and miss them. Whether it's the sound of your voice, your unique humor, or the comfort of your presence, these feelings grow stronger with a bit of distance. Now, this doesn't mean disappearing for days. It's about balance. Engage meaningfully when you do interact, and then take a step back over time. She'll find herself longing for those meaningful moments, appreciating them more because they are not constant. Consider historical figures or modern celebrities who have mastered the art of maintaining their mystery. People are always more intrigued by those who don't overshare or reveal everything at once. This intrigue builds a magnetic pull towards them, making their presence more valuable. Think of this as an art form you can practice in your daily interactions. 2. Focus on self-improvement. Next, focus on self-improvement. This is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. The more you invest in yourself, the more attractive you become. Work on your physical health, develop new skills, and cultivate a mindset of continuous growth. When she sees you becoming the best version of yourself, she'll start to miss the qualities that make you unique. Plus, when you're busy improving yourself, you're naturally less available, which ties back. Focus on self-improvement to our first point. Think about it. People are naturally drawn to those who are on a path of self-improvement. When she sees you achieving your goals, learning new things, and maintaining a positive outlook, she'll realize the value you bring to the table. This isn't just about physical attractiveness, it's about becoming a well-rounded individual. Your personal growth journey will make her see you in a new light, and she'll miss the unique attributes that you develop along the way. Let's delve deeper. Start by setting personal goals that challenge you. It could be a fitness regimen, learning a new language, or picking up a hobby that excites you. Document your progress and share it subtly. Maybe you post about your new hobby on social media or talk about a new book you're reading. This shows her that you're constantly evolving and growing more. Moreover, self-improvement enhances your confidence and self-esteem. When you feel good about yourself, it radiates. Confidence is incredibly attractive and hard to ignore as you become more self-assured. She'll notice the change in your demeanor and attitude, which is bound to make her think about you. More self-improvement also means taking care of your mental health. Practice mindfulness and meditation to stay grounded. A calm, collected mind can handle stress and uncertainty with grace. This mental resilience will not only make you more attractive but also more reliable in supportive qualities she will deeply miss when you're not around. Consider joining groups or communities that align with your interests. Whether it's a book club, a sports team, or a professional association, being active in these communities not only enhances your skills, but also broadens your social network. This in turn makes you more socially adept and interesting. The broader your horizons, the more intriguing you become. 3. Maintain your composure. Stoicism teaches us the importance of maintaining composure. Women are drawn to men who can stay calm under pressure. It's a sign of strength and confidence when you're unflappable even in challenging situations. She'll respect. Maintain your composure and admire you more. This doesn't mean suppressing your emotions but rather mastering them. Show her that you can handle whatever life throws at you with grace and dignity, and she'll find herself missing your steady presence. Picture this in moments of conflict or stress. While others might react impulsively, you maintain a calm and collected demeanor. This sets you apart as someone who is in control of their emotions and actions. Your ability to remain composed will not only earn her respect, but will also make her miss your steadying influence in her life. Think about a situation where things go wrong. Maybe there's an unexpected problem or a disagreement. While others might lose their cool, you stay calm and think logically. This ability to keep your composure is a testament to your inner strength. It's about not letting external events dictate your emotional state. For instance, if she's upset or frustrated, being the person who can calmly and patiently listen to her without getting agitated shows immense strength. This calm presence is incredibly comforting and attractive over time. She'll realize that you're the person she turns to for stability and reassurance, and she'll miss that grounded presence when you're not around. Maintaining composure also means handling rejection or disinterest with grace. If she's not interested, accept it with dignity. Don't beg or plead. Instead, respect her decision and continue to live your life fully. This stoic acceptance shows maturity and emotional intelligence, traits that are attractive and memorable to further illustrate. Let's consider the story of a well-known Stoic, Marcus Aurelius. Despite facing immense pressure and responsibility as a Roman emperor, he maintained his composure, focusing on what he could control and letting go of what he couldn't. His calm and rational demeanor earned him respect and admiration, qualities that people deeply missed when he was no longer present. Emulating such composure can significantly impact how others perceive and remember you. 4. Show genuine interest in her. Show genuine interest. Her while creating distance is important when you are with her. Make sure to show genuine interest. Stoicism is not about being detached from others. It's about being present and mindful. Listen to her, understand her dreams, fears, and aspirations. When you show that you truly care, she'll feel a deeper connection with you. This emotional bond is what she'll miss when you're not around. Consider this during your conversations. Focus entirely on her. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and engage deeply with what she's saying. When you show her that she has your undivided attention, it creates a powerful emotional connection. This connection will linger in her mind, making her miss the meaningful interactions you share. Dive deeper into her world. Ask questions that go beyond the surface level. Instead of just asking how her day was, ask about what made her day interesting or challenging. Show empathy and understanding when she talks about her passions. Be genuinely curious when she shares her worries. Be a supportive listener. Sharing experiences can also deepen this connection. Engage in activities she enjoys or introduce her to things you are passionate about. This shared time strengthens your bond and creates memories. She will cherish these shared experiences, will make her miss your presence and the unique moments you create together. Remember, the goal is not to interrogate but to connect. Show that you value her opinions and thoughts. This genuine interest can make her feel special and appreciated, and she'll miss the depth of connection you offer. Think about the concept of active listening. This involves not just hearing, but truly understanding and responding to what she says. Reflect back on her words. Ask follow-up questions, and show empathy. This level of engagement demonstrates that you value her as a person, which is incredibly powerful. When you listen actively, she feels heard and understood, creating a bond that she will miss when you're not around. 5. Be unpredictable. Keep an element of unpredictability in. Be unpredictable. Your interactions. Stoic wisdom encourages us to embrace change and be adaptable. Don't be predictable in your actions. Mix things up a bit. Plan spontaneous dates, surprise her with thoughtful gestures, or take her on adventures she didn't see coming. This keeps the relationship exciting and leaves her wondering what's next, making her miss the thrill and excitement you bring into her life. Imagine this: instead of following a routine, introduce surprises into your interactions. whether it's a spontaneous road trip, a surprise gift, or an unexpected date night. These moments create lasting memories. She'll find herself reminiscing about the exciting times you've shared and looking forward to what you'll do next. This unpredictability keeps the relationship fresh and makes her miss the excitement you bring. Think of fun and creative ways to spend time together. Maybe one day you take her to a new restaurant she's never tried, and the next you plan a simple yet intimate picnic in the park. These spontaneous acts don't have to be grand. Even small thoughtful gestures can add a touch of excitement, and unpredictability also means being open to new experiences and adventures. Suggest trying out a new together or exploring a new city for a weekend. This sense of adventure and willingness to step out of the routine makes your time together exhilarating and memorable. She'll miss the thrill and novelty you bring into her life. For example, surprise her with tickets to a concert of a band she loves, or plan a weekend getaway to a place she's always wanted to visit. These unexpected gestures show that you're attentive to her life, makes, and interests, and that you're willing to put in the effort to make her happy. This kind of unpredictability makes your presence exciting and desirable. 6. Build your own life. Create a fulfilling life outside of your interactions with her. Have hobbies, passions, and a social circle that keeps you busy. When your life is rich and full, it naturally makes you more attractive. She'll miss you more when she sees that. Build your own life. You're not dependent on her for your happiness. This independence is a key aspect of Stoic philosophy, and a powerful way to make her miss you. Think about it. When you have a life filled with activities and relationships that bring you joy, it shows her that you are self-sufficient. This self-sufficiency is incredibly attractive because it demonstrates that you are a complete person on your own. She misses the dynamic and interesting person you are, and she'll want to be a part of your vibrant life. Engage in activities that you are passionate about, whether it's a sport, a hobby, or spending time with friends and family. Share these passions with her in a way that invites her into your world, but doesn't make her the center of it. This shows that you value your own interests and time. Moreover, building your own life means having goals and aspirations independent of the relationship. Strive for personal achievements and celebrate your successes. When she sees your ambition and dedication to your own growth, she'll admire and respect you more. She'll miss the driven and focused individual you are when you're not around. Being independent doesn't mean being distant. It means showing that you have a fulfilling life that she can complement. Not complete. This balance is key to maintaining a healthy and attractive dynamic. Consider developing a diverse set of interests, whether it's learning to cook gourmet meals, taking up a new sport like rock climbing, or engaging in creative pursuits like painting or writing. Having a range of hobbies makes you a more rounded and intriguing individual. This variety adds depth to your character and provides endless topics for engaging conversations. 7. Demonstrate integrity and honor. Integrity and honor are paramount in Stoic teachings. Be a man of your word. Show her that you stand by your principles and that you're trustworthy. When you consistently demonstrate integrity, she'll know that she can rely on you, and this reliability is something she'll deeply miss in your absence. Consider this in a world where trust can be hard to come by. Being a person of integrity sets you apart. Demonstrate integrity. Whether it's keeping promises, being honest, or standing by your values, your actions will speak volumes. She'll come to see you as someone dependable and honorable, qualities that are rare and deeply missed when absent. Think about moments when it's easy to take the easy way out, but you choose to do the right thing instead. Maybe you're tempted to tell a white lie to avoid conflict, but you choose honesty, or you go out of your way to help a friend in need even when it's inconvenient. These actions show your character. Integrity also means being consistent in your actions and words. When you say you'll do something, follow through. When you make a commitment, honor it. This reliability builds trust and respect. She'll know that she can count on you, and this sense of security is something she'll miss deeply when you're not around in relationships. Being a person of integrity creates a solid foundation of trust. It shows that you are not just interested in what you can get from the relationship, but are committed to its health and longevity. This commitment is rare and valuable, making you someone she'll miss when you're absent. To further elaborate, consider the consistency of your actions. If you tell her you'll be there for her, show up. If you promise to help with something, follow through these seemingly small acts. Build a strong foundation of trust and respect. She'll realize that your word is reliable and that you are someone who stands by their commitments. This reliability and consistency are deeply attractive and will be missed when you're not. Around 8, practice patience and persistence. Patience is a virtue in our fast-paced world. The ability to be patient and persistent is rare and valuable. Show her that you're not in a rush and that you're willing to take your time to build a meaningful connection. Persistence combined with patience will show her that you're serious and committed, making her miss your steady and reliable presence. Think about it in the early stages of a relationship. Rushing can often lead to misunderstandings and pressure. By being patient and allowing the relationship to develop naturally, you create a strong practice. Patience foundation. Your persistence in maintaining contact, showing interest and investing time will make her realize your dedication. She'll miss the slow, steady, and genuine connection you're building. Let's go deeper. Patience means not pushing for immediate results or validation. It's about enjoying the process of getting to know her and building a relationship. This steady approach shows that you value her and the connection you're building, not just the end goal. Persistence means consistently showing up and being present. It's not about bombarding her with messages, but about being consistent in your efforts if she's having a tough day. Being there to support her without expecting anything in return. If she's unsure, giving her the space she needs while reassuring her of your presence. This combination of patience and persistence demonstrates that you're genuinely interested in her as a person and are committed to the long term. It shows that you're not easily discouraged and that you value the relationship over time. She'll come to appreciate this steadfastness and miss the reliable presence you bring to her life. Consider the impact of small, consistent actions over time. Regular check-ins, thoughtful messages, and being present during important moments build a conclusion sense of continuity and dependability. This steady presence combined with a patient approach creates a deep and lasting impression. She'll miss the consistent care and attention you provide, realizing the unique bond you share. Conclusion. To make any woman miss you badly, even if she's not interested at first, is not about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming someone worth missing by embracing Stoic principles like self-improvement, maintaining composure, showing genuine interest, and living a fulfilling life. You naturally become more attractive. Remember, the key is to focus on your own growth and well-being. When you do that, she'll not only notice but also find herself missing the unique value you bring into her life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How have you used these principles in your life? Thanks for watching and see you next time.